Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick, practical guide on how to unfollow someone on Instagram with a refreshed approach for 2025. If you found your feed a bit cluttered or simply want to tidy up your connections, this step-by-step process will help you do it smoothly and privately. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. You'll want to be sure you're signed in to the account you're managing so you can make changes without any hiccups. Once you're in, navigate to the profile of the account you want to unfollow. You can find them by tapping search, typing their name, or locating them in your following list if you're already connected. When you're on their profile, look for the button that currently says following under their bio. This is the control you'll use to modify your connection with that person. Tap that following button to reveal your options. The interface will present a couple of choices, but what you're after is the unfollow option. Select unfollow. A quick confirmation may appear in some versions of the app. I keep asking you to confirm that you want to stop following this account. Confirm it and you're set. The person will not be notified that you've unfollowed them, and your feed will stop pulling in their posts and stories, which can help declutter your Instagram experience. If you ever reconsider, you can revisit their profile and follow them again with a tap of the follow button. It's a simple, yet a reversible action that gives you control over what you see and who you stay connected with. A helpful tip: if you're evaluating several accounts to unfollow, consider doing it in small batches. This can help you observe how your feed changes and whether you miss any content you still enjoy. On the broader side, remember that you're shaping your own social space. Unfollowing isn't about cutting people off personally, it's about curating a healthier, more focused experience.